Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journal. Today we will learn how to hide your following list on Instagram. The first step is go to the Instagram app, and the first option is go to your profile, and in the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines, this is the option of settings and activity. You pick here and you need to search the option of account privacy, and you can put here a private account. So you can activate this option, and just the people who follow you can see your profile. This is the most several option, because all your content becoming private. But this is the first option, and the another option is go to the option of request verification. You can send a file for solicit the verification, apply for verification in Instagram. This is the option of the most famous people in the platform, but you can try that. So this is the two options. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.